First, machine backside power cord inside. After external Bluetooth device connect to backside. After machine on, put the password 1234567 8. OK. After the interface setting, print set manual mode, continuous mode, stable mode. Manual mode press. After the pairing to computer, Bluetooth click. They received the Bluetooth name JDP033. Click. After the device manager check one time. Device manager showing the COM12. After the normal ones, after open dock light software, COM port 12 set. After baud rate 9600 set, 8-bit non parity, stop bit 1, all OK parameter. Just to play click software. So software interface to computer ready. Also put the weight instrument side. The weight table. After print key press data transfer computer. Again press data transfer to PC with date and time. After the weight changing, again print data also coming. So machine off. Next, mobile option. Mobile first Bluetooth on. The pairing, the search to device, the device connected. Click password 1234 pairing. After one time check, recheck the connected device. The software open to connected. After the put the weight, data transfer to mobile. Again press. All data coming. Take another one weight, check, cross checking. So also data transferred. This data transferred, the 3 types available. First mode manual mode, second one continuous mode, third one stable mark. Second one continuous mode, checking the data is going to directly continuous mode, continuous going data. After the change the settings, stable settings, the any 0 return to 0, print key press start. Any put the weight stable. After data transfer automatically, the print key not necessary. All data transfer to mobile completed.